10 minutes every day. That is how many boring minutes an average Ukrainian spends waiting for a bus. We decided to brighten up this time and give a feeling that you are above all, like in sushi restaurants. The first in Europe. Dynamic bubble water system in advertising. Heat and cold resistant. Unbreakable.
Work it, make it, do it, make sense.
We created a bus stop for a sushi restaurant where every passerby could feel oneself in the spotlight. It came to life and changed color every time people moved, passed by, moved heads, waved hands or approached.
Ever after work is over.
QR code, placed on satellites, directed the user to web page. Having uploaded a photo made at the bus stop, one could get a certificate on a dish at the nearest sushi restaurant.
Stronger.
Results: 13 articles on professional journals and websites. One bus stop means 5.4 million OTS. And that is 500,000 visitors.